Welcome students in maths class. We have already done about SP and CP. Today we will learn about discount. How discount matter. You might have seen while buying goods that on every article there is a price marked, and this price is known as mark price, or you can say that list price of the article. You have seen a tag on the articles, and on this tag some price is marked on it. This price is known as market price, or you can say that MP, or you can say that list price. Okay, now and sometime you will see on the tag there is a 20% off, 30% off, or any other off, and this off is known as, this rebate is known as discount. Shopkeepers, in order to clear the stock or to increase the sale, sometimes shopkeeper offer a certain percent of rebate on the mark price for cash payment. This rebate is known as discount, and customer or buyer pay the difference between mark price and the discount. They have to pay only the rupees less than the mark price. How much they deduct from it? They deduct discount offered by the shopkeeper. Okay, now let's know the concept mathematically. Hence, SP is equal to selling price is equal to selling price for shopkeeper, not for the buyers. Selling price for because shopkeeper is offering a discount, so it is the selling price for the shopkeeper. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount in rupees. For example, if the mark price of an article is rupees 500 and shopkeeper offer a discount in rupees that is equal to 100, then what is the SP? That is equal to 400. Okay, if discount is not given in rupees, mostly they provide the discount in the form of percentage. Then how we will calculate the discount in rupees? We will calculate the discount in rupees, that is equal to discount in percentage into MP by 100. You will get the discount in rupees. Discount amount you can say also. If you have to remove the percentage sign, then it will be divided by 100, or as you know, discount depend only on the MP. So what is the discount in rupees? Discount in percentage by 100 into MP. Okay, next term, rate of discount, or you can say that discount in percentage. What is the discount in percentage? Discount in percentage means you have to calculate the discount percent, like profit percent, like loss percent. Okay, discount by MP into 100, as loss percentage or profit percent depend upon the CP. Similarly, discount depend on the MP. So we will deal with MP. Discount by MP multiply by 100. Okay, this is the discount percentage. Now, how we will calculate the SP when discount is given in percentage, not in rupees? First, we will convert the discount percentage into rupees, then we subtract from the SP, or we will apply direct formula for SP, that is last second SP is equal to MP multiply 100 minus discount in percentage divided by 100. MP is equal to SP into 100, and what is the SP? MP into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. And if you want to calculate MP and SP is given to you, then what is the formula for calculating MP? That is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus discount percentage. You can learn this formula as you have learned in SP and CP. In place of CP, you will put MP. Only difference is that. Okay. Now, it should be noted that discount is given on the mark price only, and shopkeeper provides a discount to you, so it will be given on the mark price only. And we will understand more clearly by doing some examples. Okay, I am taking one example for you. Find the selling price of toy if mark price is rupees 650 and discount is 10%. Now discount is given in percentage. So we have two methods to calculate the SP. First one is convert discount into percentage into discount rupees and then subtract from SP, or you can apply direct formula for SP. Here I am going to apply the discount. I am going to calculate the discount in rupees. Discount in rupees is equal to 10 by 100, remove percentage by 100, and it depend upon as MP, so multiply by MP, we will get rupees 65. If you subtract MP from MP, you will get the SP. SP is equal to MP minus discount, that is equal to rupees 585. In this way you can calculate SP, discount, MP, anything else. Okay, I am going to take one more example for you. Find the mark price. Here you have to find the mark price. If Shalini paid rupees this, Shalini is going to pay and shopkeeper is getting this rupees. So it will become the SP for the shopkeeper. Rupees 3430 is the SP of chair for the shopkeeper. Because shopkeeper is offering discount to you, so it will become a SP for the shopkeeper. Okay, so SP is equal to rupees this much, discount 2%. How we will calculate MP? We can't calculate discount in rupees because MP is not given to you. So you have to apply the direct formula for MP. MP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus discount percentage. SP 3430 multiply 100 divided by 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 is equal to 98. First of all subtract it and then calculate, and you will get the MP is equal to rupees 35. Yes students, one more example regarding MP and SP. Here Akshay paid rupees 562 for t-shirt in a sale, while price tag shows means MP on the article rupees 625. Okay, so MP is equal to rupees 625, SP is equal to rupees 562.50. How we will calculate discount? Difference of those, MP minus SP. As you know, discount means how much money deducted from MP. Discount is equal to MP minus SP. You will get discount in rupees 62.50. Now you have to find discount in percentage, or you can say that rate of discount. Both are the same thing. What is the rate of discount? Discount by MP divided by discount by MP multiply by 100, and discount percentage, or you can say that discount rate is equal to 62.50 divided by 625 into 100. You will get rupees 10%. This is the discount. Okay, one more example for you. At a clearance sale of all goods on sale at 45%. All goods are on sale at 45% discount. Shopkeeper offering a discount of rupees 45%. Okay, if buy a skirt mark rupees, this is the mark price, 600 is the mark price. How much would I need to pay? I need to pay means selling price for the shopkeeper. Selling price for the shopkeeper is the cost price for me. Okay, it means we have to calculate the selling price for the shopkeeper. MP 600, discount percentage 45%. How we will calculate? SP is equal to MP 100 minus discount percentage by 100. So 100 minus 45, what will you get? Rupees 55 by 100 into 600, that is equal to rupees 330. In this way you can calculate the SP directly. No need to calculate discount in rupees. Okay, one more example for you. Yes, after allowing a discount of 12% on the mark price of an article, it sold for rupees 880. What will be the mark price? How we will calculate mark price? By applying the formula of mark price. What is the formula of mark price? That is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus discount. SP into 100 divided by 100 minus discount. Here SP is opposite of SP. As you will calculate CP if SP is given. Okay. Similarly, we will calculate MP. Whenever discount is given to you, then there is a relation between MP, SP and discount. Okay, SP 880 into 100 divided by 100 minus 12, you will get rupees 1000. That is the MP. If a shopkeeper mark the price on the article is 1000 after giving 12% discount, and its SP is rupees 880, it means price mark on the article is rupees 1000. Okay students, here I am taking one more example for you. Question number 7 is similar to that. A shopkeeper offer his customer 10% discount and still make a profit of 26%. What is the actual cost? If mark price is given to you rupees 280, shopkeeper makes profit of 26% on selling price. First of all, we determine the SP, selling price of item. When mark price is given to you, discount is given to you, you will apply the formula for calculating SP. By using SP is equal to MP multiply 100 minus discount, 100 minus discount. Okay, discount in percentage divided by 100, you will get rupees 252. Now you have a selling price 252, profit is given to you. Say we will apply the method as we have already applied in the worksheet 1. How to calculate CP? What is the formula for calculating CP? CP is equal to SP into 100 plus gain percent. Okay, so CP is equal to 100 plus 26 rupees divided by 100 plus 26, and you will get rupees 200. This is the actual cost of an article. Okay, if you have given cost, profit and discount, you can calculate also MP also by applying reverse process. If CP is given to you, profit is given to you, you will calculate SP. Okay, you will calculate SP. Okay students, like that. If SP is given and discount is given to you, you can calculate MP also. Okay.